Let's create a budget. Let's get out of debt. Let's build wealth. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. So this is a flow chart that I've been using in a few of my videos now that I've created. And what we're going to do in this series is we're going to take each of these steps and break it down even further. So it's one thing to look at this chart, follow this chart, but to actually understand each step of it will greatly increase your knowledge and help you to understand how these things work. And it will be a lot easier and faster for you to create a budget, get out of debt, and build wealth. So we're going to start on the top left here with income. So we think of income, this can be something that where you're going to work every day, you get paid hourly, or you started a business and that income is coming in from your business, or it could even be passive income, so money coming in through investments or things of that nature. And if you're new to working and you're just starting to get into work, or you've been working for a while, they don't teach this in schools, and people sometimes don't even stop to think about, okay, what are you doing with your income? Obviously, everybody is different. And some people, they say they just want to have fun and they just spend the money and they don't give it a second thought. But depending on where you are in life, if you came across these videos, you're probably interested in either getting out of debt, building wealth, or you just starting and don't really know what to do. So, if you think from the very, very beginning, depending on, it could be a multitude of factors on what's causing the way you think about money and the way you think about income, or the lack of thinking about it. So income is something you need to put a thought into. If you're single, eventually you're going to maybe meet your wife, and, getting to know her and as she gets to know you, this may not be something that you talk about right away, but it's something that it doesn't matter which side you're on. If you're the man or the woman, if you have that knowledge going into that relationship, and a lot of relationships, they're based off of, looks and off of intelligence and off of many different factors. But, money should be one thing that you should think about. I mean, this is the way to move America forward and to start living a life, and families can start doing things and educating their kids and putting them in different things, because we're going to need this for future generations. So income is something that you have to think about. You have to talk together. And then eventually as you grow as a family, you're going to need more and more income, or you're going to take that turn. You're going to hit a path without even knowing it. So you're either going to start digging yourself in debt, or you could slowly move with your income. So you guys will move together. You live within your means, and your means grow at the same time. So you'll probably start having kids. And as you get those furry babies, those cost money too. Dogs, the grooming, the spending of money on them, cats, their personalities. These animals, they cost a lot of money. They bring a lot of joy to the family, but they can also cost a lot of money. So this is things you want to think about. And that's why thinking about income, it's when you go to build your blueprint of your life and the things you want to accomplish in your life. And like, if you're just starting on this flow, understand that there's a lot more to it than a bunch of bubbles and just dealing with a bunch of issues. So those furry babies come to your life, you then expand your family even more, and you start having kids. So, understanding this, it's all this comes down to, a lot of this, what it comes down to is having a vision. Having a vision is what helps drive this and helps motivate it. And you got to think to the future. So as the kids grow up, when they get older, you know, they may want to go to college. You may want to take a bunch of trips. They may have all kinds of sports, different things that they do. You may end up with more and more of the furry babies, or you could even end up with more of the regular babies. So, and each time that's an expense. So if you start off small and you already have the plan and the focus, and you stay living within your means, and you have that picture of building income, everyone's focus should be income coming in other than their job. I mean, unless you're planning on going nowhere and doing anything, that's fine. But as long as you're going to keep increasing, you're going to keep doing things, you're going to travel, whatever it is that you want to do, you should be thinking of another source of income besides your main income coming in. And so, you know, that first bubble income, give it some thought. Think about, you know, what you want in the future. And sometimes even thinking about what you want in the future is hard to do because you don't even know. But the fact that the world is ever changing, life is ever changing, new things are coming out daily, you know that you're going to need more income. And you know, another thing about income too is discipline. You know, you don't want to go out and buy every single new thing that shows up, because you want to have the discipline to save some of that. Income should be a breakdown. You know, you should pay yourself. You know, you should pay God. You should pay your tithes. You should pay yourself. You should pay your bills, pay the government, give unto whomever is due, give unto them. And definitely you're the one doing it. So there's definitely something due to yourself. So again, guys, I wanted to just, you know, income bubble was there, so we needed to talk a little bit about it. Think about it before you start. You know, if you're already in debt, you know, we'll get to that bubble. But for now, when you think of income, you know, yes, you do want to have fun. You want to be able to do things in life, you know, especially, you know, while you're young or as you retire, you know, the different areas, then you need to start planning on it. It doesn't matter, you know, everybody is dealt a different hand in life, and it doesn't matter where you are in life. Just start thinking about your current situation and what you want to accomplish. And just remember, guys, as you grow and as you start to do more things, just enjoy life. So again, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hitting the notification bell really helps the channel out. It also helps YouTube algorithm to push this video out to more people so they can help with their finances and get their finances in order. And if you found value in this video, I appreciate a thumbs up. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.